Yay!
Yay, Wesley. Okay.
You can go back to the couch. Where are you going? You touching your
Wanna meet
belly.
Grandma?
You want some more?
Good job. Say, hey, Wesley. Oh, now we can play with the badge.
Mm-hmm. Got some smiles. You gonna get another bite?
Ready for another bite? There he is. Another bite. Oh, and he's got to go. He's got places to go.
Yay.
Yay, Wesley.
All right, can
You
you
ready?
walk?
Good job.
You can go out to the living room. Get your chair.
You want some more?
Can you walk?
You gonna come over? Huh?
Silly. You stand up? Yeah?
Yeah? Can you come over? Want to come over and get some more?
You walk to Grandma? You walk to Mama? You're busy.
Wesley. Hey, Wesley. Hey, Wesley.
You cracking yourself up.
Come here, dude.
You go
ready?
walk to Grandma?
Want some more?
Okay. See you later.